YouTube is on easy mode, and I'm living proof that anyone can start a YouTube channel and blow up in just a couple of months in 2025. If you were thinking about starting a YouTube channel either for yourself or your personal brand, then there's no better time to start than now. I've monetized my own YouTube channel within only a month of uploading by using the opportunity that YouTube is providing for small creators to grow their channels. In this video, I'll be going over the new YouTube algorithm update, the winning video formats that are the most successful now, and how to make money even if you don't have 1 million subscribers. So YouTube used to be known for having high quality production, retention optimized videos, such as Mr. Beast videos. And there's always news articles and talks about this new YouTube video has much higher budget than this whole Netflix TV show, which is absolutely insane for a 20-minute YouTube video. But recently, with the saturation of this type of format, it has actually developed a anti or counter culture, if you could say, where it's the complete opposite of high value production, retention optimized videos. If you notice on your homepage, a still image from the video, so no custom thumbnail, and it's usually just someone talking, and the camera quality isn't even good. It's probably their phone and they're using a microphone and they're just pretty much yapping into the phone. But these type of videos provide authentic and value-oriented content to viewers, which obviously people who grow tired of retention-based videos will flock towards. Sometimes you'll even see them on the come up with 200, 500 views on your homepage, which is insane because usually on your homepage, you'll see people that you usually watch or people with hundreds of thousands of views already. And the reason for that is because YouTube actually does have a dedicated team with a sole mission to push out small creators and help them get noticed. And the main purpose for that is essentially for YouTube to get more money. But to break it down, YouTube makes money from ads. And the more people that show ads on their videos, the more money YouTube will make. So if someone that's small creates YouTube videos and they notice that they're getting views, they're getting traction, their channel's growing, then they can eventually put ads on their videos. They'll be monetized, they'll be making money, while YouTube is also making money by making money off of them. Does that make sense? But at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation for both the small creator and for YouTube. The small creator can grow their channel and YouTube will make more money. So if you want to take advantage of how YouTube is just pushing out small creators to everyone's homepage, then there are 3 main video formats that people are creating in order to grow on the platform right now. The first one you'll see are pretty much just raw vlogs. So people literally just grabbing a camera and going about their day and just filming what they love to do on a daily basis. An example of this is Sam Sulik. He has blown up tremendously. And the main reason these videos perform well is because 1, he's super jacked, but he's also kind of introverted, which is a pretty interesting combination. When he talks to the camera, it's like he's talking to the person that's watching the video. So it's a very conversational format. They are very low effort that don't require super highly engaging editing. And I feel like these videos are super easy to get into. Like if you even use your phone, if you don't have a camera, as long as you have a passion or a hobby that is interesting to you or others, you can easily document and share it with the world. Like literally anything, because Sam Sulik's was gym, obviously. I actually based my own YouTube channel on video games because I'm a nerd. But if I were to make a raw vlog YouTube channel, it would literally just be me going to the gym, powerlifting, and playing volleyball at nighttime, like every day, because that's all I do. The next niche is self-development / personal growth. I've seen people who literally just grab their phone and record themselves with a mic, super uncut, super unfiltered, probably 1 cut in the whole video. No edits, no text overlays, nothing. They're just talking to the phone, giving value on how to overcome obstacles, personal experiences that they've gone through, which has helped them grow. Stuff like that is what viewers feel real genuine connection towards. If you have enough stories throughout your life, events that you can talk about that can help someone else grow, then you are easily cut out for this niche. Think of it as you're trying to teach your younger self the lessons that you have learned up till now. That's all you gotta do. And then the little stuff like adding your own personality to it, having unique ideas. And another way to go about this niche is kind of like combining personal development with the raw vlogs. Like someone like Daniel Dalen, I've used him as an example before, but I really love his videos. His POV videos, how he's going through his own business venture. It's like he's documenting his whole entrepreneurial journey while providing value and insights at the end. So throughout the whole introduction and middle of the video, it's literally his day or week and what he's going through in his business. And then at the end of the video, he usually sits down at the camera and has like a really deep talk about his own business and his goals in life and pretty much how to get to where he is at life. And the last niche that you can get into is educational content. So similar to how this channel is about branding and marketing and how I'm making this video about how to grow on YouTube for yourself or your own personal brand. And just because you're educating other people, it doesn't mean you need a PhD in your topic or need to be a super expert in. So as long as you're at least 20% more knowledgeable in this topic than the average person, just think about how much more valuable that information is to someone with absolutely zero knowledge of that topic. Ali Abdaal, who was a nursing student, I believe. Was Ali Abdaal a nursing student? Hold on. Ali Abdaal quits medicine. He was a doctor. What he wanted to do was teach others time manage their days as a full-time doctor or a full-time student, how to study and how to work, or even how to do side hustles during all this. So he didn't study how to be productive or read 100 books on it. He literally just went through the experience and decided that he can teach others how to go through it the same way he did. He was a productive machine overall. And the way to get into this niche, think about how people will go to other people if they have problems, and if you're that specific person that they go to for a specific problem, and it's super recurring and common. So say for me, for instance, I post my own social media content on gym. I usually post my lifts or my physique and my diet. So I usually get a lot of DMs on how to track calories, protein, how to lose weight, how to gain weight. That gave me an idea that I should probably make a YouTube channel based on that, but I haven't yet, because I'm too lazy, and I'd be running 3 YouTube channels at that point. I ain't got enough editors. I'm the only editor for both YouTube channels right now. So YouTuber, editor, content creator, powerlifter, volleyball player. I could make like 5 YouTube channels right now and blow them up. You know what? Should I just do that? I'll challenge myself. I might just do that. Just to prove that YouTube is on easy mode, I'm gonna do that. I'm joking. I literally only have the same amount of hours as everyone else on a day, but I would love to try that and then burn myself out and absolutely crash. Anyways, they all seem to have a recurring theme of having low effort editing, which makes it a lot more accessible because you don't need to hire an editor and you don't need to learn editing yourself. You just need to learn how to do basic cuts if needed, and just honestly be an authentic storyteller and provide value. That's literally the winning formula in all these niches combined. Like I said before, the barrier of entry is so low. People are literally just filming themselves with their phones and just making money out of it. Like this thing right here is making people financially free, and you need to take advantage of this like ASAP. Well, I'm using a camera. My camera has paid itself back because my camera was an investment in order for me to start making videos, and when I started making videos, I started making money. So I paid off my camera. Guys, come on. Come on. And if you're too scared to start, just know this. As long as you have a story to tell and you can articulate your thoughts, that is 80% of all you need in these videos. So let's talk about monetization, because everyone cares about money. Everyone cares about money. So you don't need millions of subs to make money. The minimum that you need to actually start making money on YouTube is obviously your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs. And then that's how you make your AdSense revenue. And the thing is, you might be excited because you're like, oh my God, I'm getting so much money from my AdSense. That is literally like 10% of people's income now that are super successful on YouTube, because the RPM, so the revenue per 1,000 views, is so low that people get more money from sponsorships or brand deals, their own digital products, that the ad revenue is like a small bonus at the end of the month, which is crazy. So how do you make money doing this? Let me tell you how to make money, is by making YouTube videos that solve real problems. By helping people solve real problems, you can leverage that by creating products or services that help people even more than what your videos are helping them out. Like your own consulting services, digital product like an ebook, course, whatever. Okay, I gotta wrap this up because my camera's about to die. I line myself up. So when do I start? When do I start my YouTube channel, Sensei? Well, a lot of people are waiting for that perfect moment, you know? Oh, when I get that camera, I'm gonna record a YouTube video. When I get that lens, when I get that mic, blah, 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 blah. Dude, all you have to do is just start with whatever. People are recording on their phones, like I said before. They don't care about the quality of the camera. They don't care about how you look, how your hair is, how there's a stain on your shirt, unless it's like a white shirt with like a mustard stain. People only care about getting value from your video, and if it's getting them from unknowledgeable to knowledgeable, point A to point B. As long as people get transformative information from your video, then you're golden. So don't think about, what if no one watches me? Well, if no one watches you, then no one can make fun of you, you know? Oh my God, what if people do watch me and they make fun of me? Well, they're not doing what you're doing because you're taking action and they're just watching you in a screen and typing on a keyboard. So who cares what their opinion is? Grab your camera or your phone or whatever. Make sure your audio quality is good. I had to dial mine down because I realized mine was too loud. And just provide valuable information that people can learn from, people can be entertained from, educated from, or inspired from. That's all you need to do. Educate, inspire, entertain. I literally forgot. So if you're serious about starting your YouTube channel and fast tracking your journey, don't miss this video. In this video, I'll break down high income skills that perfectly align with creating and growing your YouTube channel for your own personal brand.